Yeah. Good evening, gentlemen. This SMS 10.2 kilowatts hybrid. As you can see by the side, you are seeing a Felicity charge controller. So you will ask yourself a question: what is Felicity charge controller doing by this side? This as a result of bad bad installation. So now, if you check under, we have two MPPT charge controller, which you ask yourself, why, if we have two MPPT charge controller that is not used, why does this installer use this low voltage Felicity charge controller? Why? This set of installer, they will be the one to say SMS inverter is bad, SMS lithium battery is bad. Now the installers succeeded in burning this board due to wrong connection, destroyed this inverter, and now he went and buy Felicity charge controller. Please just check under. Then later he said this charge controller is bad, Felicity charge controller is bad. Then secondly, there are a lot, although we have already made some correction. I think I'm right that we have tempered this installation, try to make some things work. Just take a look. You can see this one stop an installer to use a cable lock. Now this battery is not communicating. The communication cable is nowhere to be found. From the battery, from SMS battery to this other battery is nowhere to be found. From the BMS to this ports to the BMS ports, ROS 485, nowhere to be found. Then this installer will end up condemning this battery. He will say SMS inverter and SMS battery is bad, it's not working. And again, there is no bus bar. Just join all the cables together. Your size of cable that you are using for charging, this is just 2.5 mm. This is a potential fire hazard. This is a potential fire that will come. If you check the trunky, please go back. It has there's an incident, fire incident here. So I'm creating this video to create awareness. Client, you have spent money doing your installation. You have to look for a competent hands. Ask question, you get the right answer. Now this customer is complaining that this battery is not charging. How will it charge? This customer is complaining that immediately it is 4 p.m. I'll be 5 p.m. here in Nigeria time. This whole system shut down. So guys, please, we are creating this video to advise we installers, put your best. If you don't know what to do, ask question. We are ready to assist in order for us to reduce the problem. Thank you for watching this video. This is Prostar Technical. So you can reach us on our page or write us, ask questions. I keep on telling you, cable size is very, very important. And know what you are doing in this industry. Know what you are doing in this business. Ask question, you will get answer. Thank you. God bless.